Hey guys, this is us again. We're heading to St. Simon's Island, making a quick pit stop on Jekyll Island. Randy and Jessica are joining us this time again, so it's a fun ride. Hopefully, you guys enjoy it. Peace out. Hey guys, we are Jekyll Island. We're here with Randy. We're gonna see a couple of midgets sitting on a little people sitting on a rocking chair. Look at that.
Hello, hello. Jekyll Island sightseeing.
I know. Jessica's just chilling like that. How do you guys like this so far?
Oh, it's
Oh,
amazing.
amazing.
You know, I was very happy to be able to show Randy and Jessica the island itself, the beautiful resort, and all its surroundings. Like it's Memorial Weekend, so of course it's packed with people. So you're probably gonna see them, you know, sightseeing, walking, riding their bikes.
Oh, that's cool. With the
including
puppies.
pets. So
Oh.
enjoy.
Peace out.
Sí, así. así.
I don't know what is she's doing, but she's calling somebody on that phone.
Hello, hello.
Are you
Joining
there?
the cup.
It's a me.
Hello,
It is me you're looking for. I can see.
I'll tell you, we should have her more often here. Hey guys, so we're here with Randy and Jessica. We head from Jacksonville to right now at Jekyll Island Club Resort. This place is beautiful. If you have a chance to stop by, you definitely should. This is place dates as far back as 1700, based on what I read, and it's a great place to eat, great place to hang out. And Jekyll Island, you can do horseback riding. There's a water park for the family, camping, you name it. You should visit.
Vale,
Tiene que así porque si no.
Oh, yo así.
Eso sí, yo recomiendo que se agarren porque como que marea la. Yo le tomaré así. Washi, washi.
When you're climbing.
Ouchie, ouchie. Room with a view. Woo!
Lo vamos a quitar. Lo juro.
Mira que es view.
So now you have extra oxygen now.
Mira, se cae el otro.
So how do you like this so far?
Amazing. Oh,
It's great. It's always beautiful. And better,
Just elevators.
even more when we are sharing the experience with the family, right?
always.
You know it.
Que dijo, mira, Randy dice, elevators. Instead of stairs.
Once we go get back.
So we're here at the porch in St. Simon's Island having some Nashville hot fried chicken. It looks delicious.
It is delicious.
It is delicious. So-
There, mira.
Is that yours?
There they come.
Somebody's
What are they
order
called?
coming.
That's a little white Nashville with fried Brussels and a porch corn.
Oh, that's yummy.
Ese era el tuyo.
No, I want a coleslaw.
With
Acá ya.
baked beans and coleslaw right there.
Yes.
Right here.
Gotcha.
All right. Thank
Oh my
you.
God, then I'm gonna have some of that Brussels.
that.
I think, okay?
If y'all need anything, just let one of us know.
Thanks, man.
Absolutely. Thank you.
So, baby,
Yeah, we'll
este
switch sides.
Ay, Brussels is the
So we just got the fried chicken. I'm gonna get my hands really greasy. So see you guys later. So now I'm gonna ask if they like it or not. So, do you ladies like it?
delicious.
what do you think?
Mira, he loved that even. He's having
Yeah,
fun.
I mean-
Before and after.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just take a look at the plate. And
Yeah.
Wow, amazing. Real good.
We got the motion.
Ahí Jessica, pero comiste todo el cuerito.
So anyway, so we enjoyed it. Looks like we really liked it. Now we're full. Now we're gonna head back to Jack's. See you guys later. I hope you all enjoyed the video. It was a beautiful Memorial Weekend day ride. It was just fantastic. Was glad that Jessica and Randy could join us, and hopefully they'll be with us more often. See you guys next time. Peace out.